Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to clear memory on Android. Here's what we will cover. How to check your storage usage. How to free up space by removing unnecessary files and apps. How to use the built-in cleaner app for extra optimization. Let us get started. Open Settings and tap About Phone. Storage. Here, you'll see how much space is being used and can click Free Up Storage to remove unnecessary items. You can delete videos and install apps, clear up data, remove large files, and deleted photos. Additionally, open the pre-installed Cleaner app to scan for junk files, then simply tap Clean to remove them. Once completed, your phone will have more available storage and run more smoothly. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions or want us to cover other phone features? Please do drop them in the comments below. And hey, back up important files before clearing memory. Only delete apps or files you are sure you don't need. Wireless Solutions is not responsible for accidental data loss. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.